I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting inside Gmail, so sign in and locate the gear icon in the top right. Click it to open Quick Settings. Once done, choose See All Settings or directly click Themes when available. This moves you into the customization area where Gmail stores visual options. You're focusing on changing background color, so skip other tabs. Make sure you're on a desktop browser for full theme control. Mobile apps have limited theme options and won't show the same controls. Once in Themes, scan the preset backgrounds to find a base color or image you like. Click View All if you need more options. If you want a solid color, select a simple theme or upload a plain image via My Photos to simulate a specific color. Adjust text/background contrast sliders and check the small preview to ensure readability. Make changes iteratively. Select a preview, tweak contrast, then re-preview. This prevents poor contrast and keeps your inbox usable and pleasant. You're at the finish line. Click Save or Apply to cement the background change, and then reload Gmail to confirm it persists. If the color doesn't appear, try clearing your browser cache, disabling extensions that alter page styles, or testing another browser. These steps resolve most display issues. If it still fails, revert by selecting the default theme and reapplying a new one. One troubleshooting tip: make sure any uploaded image is fully uploaded and not blocked by privacy or sync settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.